Hello everyone, good morning, good evening. Happy Halloween or happy Kalag-Kalag in the Philippines and happy Halloween in United States. So today I'm going to cook fried catfish curry. It's very delicious. It's made for curry powder and also milk. I put milk, sugar, uh, dark soy sauce, and also curry powder and black pepper, potato, and also carrots, and some of chili, guys, and beef powder or powder stock. So subscribe, likes, and please leave comment. And don't forget to post the notification bell. Have a good day and see you the next tip. First, we need to add salt a little bit and black pepper, the catfish, and leave this a couple hour to soak in it and flavor and make hot the olive oil, vegetable oil or whatever you have available oil, and then make sure the pan is too hot and you have to cover because the catfish is very what do you call that, sprinkle the oil, so you have to avoid to hit in your eyes, especially your eyes and your face, so you have to cover it for your soup. So thank you so much. Happy Kalag-Kalag and Halloween and All Souls Day. So this is I cook catfish curry. It's very delicious, guys, and when I bought this catfish, it's very still alive and very fresh. So I decided to, I'm craving for curry. So you have to try, guys, and then as you can see, you have to deep brine and you have to be careful so it's not the oil very hot, the oil is sprinkled because catfish is very, I think it's something fat and oily, that's why it gets sprinkled the oil. So how was your Halloween or All Souls Day? And everyone is going to loved ones to go cemetery and visit the family. So now the catfish is ready to put aside and on the clean plate. And then after this, guys, and we need to follow the steps. And we have to fry, half cook the potato in the same oil. So subscribe, likes, and please leave comment. And shout out to all my co-YouTuber, silent viewers, and to all my supporters and subscribers. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. And God bless. So now I put the potato. So I fried the potato as just half cooked only, guys, and also the carrots. So I used the oil which I fried the catfish. So I hope you have a good day, everything, guys, and be safe. And some of them is get together, especially in my culture in Philippines, get together to go to cemetery to visit the loved ones because today or yesterday is the All Souls Day. So now as you can see, the potato is done, and now we add the carrots. And the carrots, I have no big carrots, so I had already inside the refrigerator, which is already sliced, but it's kind of like small size the way they slice. So and now we have to third step, we have to add like 2 tablespoons of olive oil and also 1/2 of medium onions slice, and also the ginger, some of the ginger, and I slice it.
Like 1/2 ginger.
And making sure that when the onions is half cooked, and we have to add the ginger
And then the
root.
ginger.
Ginger root is a very good benefits, and especially the catfish, I put ginger root so the smell of the catfish is get rid of the smell. of the fish.
with the curry
So now
powder.
as you can see guys, I add that already the 3 cloves of garlic and then 1 tablespoon of curry powder together. So I'm sorry I deleted accident the garlic when I put. So now and then I put the fried catfish. So you have to deep fry it, guys, because if you don't really deep fry it, your fish is gonna be mushy. And then I add like hot water or cold water, at least maybe 1 cup. And I add that more. I don't sure that's also. So its total, guys, is 1 cup. I don't like the curry. It's very a lot of fluids or juice. I want only like it looks sticky or dry. So and I add all these potatoes, which I fried half cooked. Just one large potato I sliced, guys. I just put 1 potato. So I decided to not to cook a lot because it's nobody eat, only my daughter and I. Every time I cook this, so I decided to I cook like not much. So it's fit or is like 2 person only the budget I cook, so I don't waste the food. So as you can see, I add the black pepper. It's like 1 tablespoon of black pepper and also 2 tablespoons of sugar, either brown or white, and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce or patis, and 1 tablespoon of beef powder, and we call beef stock. It's like Maggi syrup instead MSG or bitchin you put, then you have to put the beef stock. That is for the soup only. So I try to turn some of the fish, guys, so the flavor is gonna be stick on the fish. So subscribe, like, share, and please leave comment. And if you like my video, share it, and don't forget the notification after subscribe. And I add the black pepper again. If you like your curry is spicy, then you can add chili powder or chili, hot chili. So I run out of bell pepper, so I have a chili, but it's hot, but I don't slice it, so I don't want to spicy my food. If you like really spicy, then I add like 1 tablespoon of nor seasoning or Maggi syrup, guys. So after that, guys, and I add the carrots already. And by the way, you can add bok choy but I have no bok choy. Then I add like a 1/4 of small cabbage vegetables. And then I add, after this, I boil this at least 3 minutes until the cabbage and potato is cooked. The potato and the carrots is already half cooked, so it's easy to get cooked. So subscribe, and I add the chili. This is chili, guys. That's why I don't slice. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. And now I simmer it at least 3 minutes. And the last but not the least is 1 tablespoon of water with cornstarch to get sticky my curry. And by the way, I add also milk, like 2 tablespoons of milk. It's really delicious. If you have no milk, guys, then you can add coconut milk for your curry. So we call this pantat, or they call in English word is catfish. So I'm not really good for but before I don't like to eat catfish. Now I love it as long I fried it. So thank you so much for watching. By the way, happy Halloween, happy Kalagkalag, and to all happy All Souls Day. And making sure I know everyone is celebrating inside the cemetery to get together the loved ones. Some of my cultures, they bring food, drinks, and get together, then eat together, and loved ones, even though they pass away long times. That is the only our tradition. And some of them is went to church, especially me. Maybe later I'm going to church. Thank you so much. And the food is ready to serve soon. And you have to try, guys. Normally, we eat with rice. And I have leftover the inside the rib. And then I make up the microwave and ate it for my lunch. And I cooked this for last night. So I just upload this because I upload my video every other day. So thank you guys for visiting my channel, to all my silent viewers, to all my idol, follower, subscriber. Thank you so much and take care and God bless. See you my next video. And I hope good luck to all of us and enjoy and never give up. So upload your video and avoid copyright or violation. Thank you. God bless. Bye. Love you all, guys, and I really appreciate that you always coming to my channel and to watch my video. To all my supporter, thank you so much. If you want to shout out, then you leave comments so I can get you shout out. To all my subscribe and silent viewers, thank you. And let's eat after this, guys.